Mm. Good morning, JC. Of course it's hard. I never say it was easy. A lot of people try to trade like me a lot of time. They would get wiped out during slow market like this. Yeah. Even sometimes if I get stubborn, I get super burned. My strategy is easy in theory. Really hard to execute. To optimize out of it. Good morning, Nola. Good morning, good morning.
SRRA.
Yeah. GNS just got pumped up by Ross, but we can't trade those kind of stock. We get burned so fast. You jump in it, that one volume candle out nowhere. Yeah, very low volume. Oh, if you hit the like twice today, we mean you dislike it. I'm just kidding. Thanks, man. Thanks, Matt. Good morning. Chat, put it right here or something. Man, after turn off the stream last week, dude, I started making big, but then I lost it all, not all, but a lot of it on one trade on what stock was it that tanked the crap out that day. It's literally like unwind the crap low. IRVN, oh my god. IRVN. No, INDA. It's basically INDA. No. IRDA? No. NVDA, so NVDA, IVDA. Yeah, IVDA. The freaking stock, man. Look at how much it tanked on that day. Holy crap, low.
SRRA.
Okay, so my first trade. Okay, so we got understand story of revenge trade first. Yeah, revenge trade. So here's a story of revenge trade. So before this trade, right? Before this trade, I was trading VERU that day. So before this trade, so this is the emotion. I trade good most of the time, but the emotion always got back on me. So before this trade is 12, is 153, 153, 153, 153. Okay, so before this trade right here on VERU, I was up a lot on VERU. So after I turned off the stream, I traded so well on VERU. At that time, before all this, okay, so before this right here, I was up 7,000 something. So I was getting 6,000 something, 7,000 something. I tried to get to $8,000 by the end of the day. So I was before this trade right here on that day, VERU, right? I was close to 8,000. So again, after I turned off the stream, I traded so well. So I was up by before, because I remember when I turned off the stream, I only up by a couple hundred. So after I turned off the stream that day, I can be more aggressive and trade more like myself. I was to get to up to close to 8,000 that day, 7,000 around, I would say 400. And this trade come right here, and I lost on it. I think I lost around $700. So at that time, it's already put a little bit. That's my first losing trade on VERU. I cut loss, right? I cut loss and it bounced like, god damn it. So 700 is not much. And right after that, this trade come. I bought dip right here, and I cut loss around here. So I lost another 700. So normally I had 2 losing trade on a row. That's gonna play some emotion to me. So 2 losing trade in a row. So from up 7,000, so 2 losing trade cost 700 each. So I was up by 5,700 by the time I was looking at it. 5,700 and 5,800. So right after that, I decided, frick man, no way I can dip more. So I size in the crap low here. And literally I can't get out. I tried to, so I think 15,000, not crap low, but 15,000 share, right? Okay, when it bounced up around here, I feel like you're not gonna bounce anymore. So I click flatten. Okay? It doesn't flatten me. For some reason. TOS is take forever for this stock. This stock, something wrong with it. I swear to you that day, something wrong with this stock, because I click flatten, it should fill me around here. But even when it go down to $4, it haven't get rid of all my share yet. I like, oh my God. So it's even after that, right? I was like, screw it, I'm gonna size in the crap low. So if I cut the loss right here, I would up by only 3,000. So another $1,000 loss. So here, it did not flatten me. Actually, it started flattening me around here. So I like, screw it, I'm gonna buy all back the share I just flattened. So I buy it in, and I'm not even buying on the bid. I buy on the ask. That's revenge trade me. Revenge trade, full revenge trade mode right there. Buy on the ask and all that. It didn't even freaking bounce. And I just had a cut loss right there, and that was $6,000 loss, I think. 6,000 altogether. Like, so 700 here, another 2,000 here, another 2,000 here, or something like that. And man, like, I was revenge trade. That's revenge trade me. But overall that day I was still up. I was able to continue trade. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna take a look at that stock anymore. And luckily I did. I didn't, because the thing is literally just slowly grinding down. Luckily I did not take a look at that stock anymore. So yeah, we were good. Oh, and that day, but we still end up with. I show you guys later. But we end up with okay, we gotta get ready to trade. But we still end up with BCTX. Okay, we put VERU over here, and BCTX over here. And that day we end up with 2,300, and the day after that we end up with yesterday we up by 4,300, and right now we negative this morning so far. But yeah, market about to open. I gotta focus. Today look like it can be slow day, so I'm just gonna let it play out to see how everything is. Today can be super slow. That's why I was like, slow day, let's stream. If it's getting hot and I need to size a lot, I'm gonna have to like turn off the stream so I can focus. But yeah, morning seems super slow.
BCTX, SRRA, ARTL.
This morning so far we negative 500 from BCTX pre-market. Not too bad. Feel 1,500 share on this. I'm willing to add. It doesn't bounce yet, so I'm a little bit nervous to see where it go. And if it wick down, I would add, but it is, so far right now it's a no-go for me. I'm being patient on it. It didn't dip much farther from our spot. We got in the exact bottom of that candle on the first thing, and it chilled there. We didn't sell any, and we didn't even get out any. We just holding it right now. Yeah, just get out right now. VERU been treating us really well. So most of the gain yesterday was not even from what stock was it? I show you guys all my trade yesterday later when the market's slower. But yesterday, most of the gain is from VERU. And we only got what stock that run crazy yesterday, but we barely make any money off of it. We make like first, actually, we got negative on it. We didn't make any money back until later, you know. Yeah, VERU wise is just like able to get in the bottom most of the time for freaking this stock, man. So we good to go with VERU. But yeah, too bad we only do like 1,500 share. Yesterday I was do 3,000 share, right at the market open. Or maybe 2,000, not 3,000. But still. GNS halt up, but that's a stock Ross pump and it's super low liquidity. So we're not going to touch it. We only make 2 trades so far, it's only even VERU. Both on VERU.
DYAI. CTIC.
Yeah, I see he's a gapper this morning. Not enough volume yet.
BCTX live.
BCTX is the one that we lost money on, but I like the way it moved. The way it moved, it's natural. It's just I was impatient and I was didn't trade well. Let's just say that. Oh, we tried to buy it rare, it didn't feel. We would bottom ticket. Especially, I was really impatient this morning trading it. Normally, I would not gain that setup, and I accidentally have 2,000 share. It's supposed to be like 1,000 share, 1,000 share. I didn't even look at my share size. It just looked like, okay, spot. So I clicked it right away. Actually, I switching screen, and we got filled for 2,000 share. And we could have get alpha, basically kind of break even, but then we got a little bit, just try to average in, did not cut loss, even though it touched VWAP, and we cut loss after it break VWAP. Normally, I would cut loss right at VWAP. It's just a little bit emotional. Not too emotional, but still, like, God dang it, my first trade of the day, and here we go. And I was not about to trade that time too. It's like just 8. My wife's like, hey, come to eat first. Like, no, this stock moving, and it turned out to be burn me. Ooh. Yeah. Super slow morning. Anything you guys call? Oh yeah, yesterday is LITX, LIXT. I'm lost money the time in the morning when it run a lot, and I make all my money back and some after it continued to drop in the afternoon, and I was able to avoid the what is it called? What's that thing called? Offering. It was offering on it yesterday, and I saw the price movement at that time. I traded a couple minutes right before that, but I was about to buy 5,000 share, but I like, the price movement look a little bit weird, so I canceled my order right away. I only feel 100 share, and I was like, up, and I read the news. So I like CTIC. Offering news, so I didn't trade afterward. I think I trade one more time after offering new open, but yeah, I show you all my trade afterwards, so you guys can watch, and those kind of things you can learn. Yeah, a lot of people got so if you're not used to like see level 2, you're not gonna pick out that. So after you're seeing a lot, right, you're gonna start to pick out small things, and with watching the level 2, I was able to I was about to get in, don't get me wrong, I really was about to buy it, but then after watching level 2, I like, there's something weird about it. There's something weird about movement in the level 2, so I canceled my order right away, feel 100 share, and yeah. And I sold it even that 100 share way before it halt, because like, I saw the news, I just get out. I'm not taking risk, you know?
ALZN.
No risk.
CTRM. BBBY.
try to play the range. I would add a little bit more if it cracked 10 20, but then I would not add a lot. I'm just trying to play the range to see where it goes.
BCTX.
If it drip down too fast, I'm gonna get out. But if it go up, yeah, get out. I'm gonna re-add if it break this level. And not much a big trade right there. It's very small. And I always try to play the range. It's looked like the range would be good. Oh, there's a big share bid. So could crack it. There we go. Oh, we try to buy back in after it cracked. It didn't. Normally I don't like big bid. You guys probably know. I don't like big bid because it could crack. I don't know how far it can crack.
BBBY.
So I don't like big bid. I just let it play out. Then we decide afterward. Yeah, there was a 30,000 share bot try to buy at 10.2. We barely make any trades. Very small, slow morning. So we're just gonna let it play.
CTIC. BCTX. HLMN.
Ader moving back up. Ader multi-day runner, right?
HNRG.
Whoa, it run yesterday afternoon? I didn't even notice. Whoa, it's a multi-day breakout. It's not even a bounce. It's a multi-day breakout on Ader. Yeah.
Ader.
It's not shortable. Ader is not. Put Ader up here. Yeah.
ALZN.
I don't like the movement so far on Ader. I wait until we move better. So all our trade was on VERU. But yeah, so far last 2 days was pretty okay. Man, if I did not get revengeful trade, that could. Well, I was hoping for 8K on Monday, but then if I did not revengeful, at least I would up by 5,700 or something like that. But I was so revengeful, and I lost close to almost all my gain, maybe like $700 left, and I was able to climb back to like 2,000 by the end of the day, 2,300. But man, yeah, the more volatility is there. It started coming back. It started coming back, you know. The volatility started coming back. We tried to get Phil on BCTX, didn't get us. The volatility was there, but
CTRM.
we will buy that back on it when it dipped back up there again. I don't know how far it can go, so I'm gonna.
Ader.
Just a small trade in there. We're still negative on it this morning. Funny enough. Man, Ader, I didn't even notice it. Yesterday was yesterday I thought nothing was moving in after. Oh well, it doesn't have enough volume, and it moved really weird yesterday. So no wonder I didn't look at it. Yesterday, basically, I didn't trade after what is it called? After 2, I didn't even trade because nothing was moving afternoon yesterday. So yesterday we ended up with like 4,300 around there. I was editing video, man. I tried to edit a little bit more, spend a little bit more time to edit and perfect it. But not so good. Well, TOS level 2 was, well, you just gotta adapt to what you're reading. So I'm used to reading TOS level 2, and that helped me prevent it from that flush on LIXT. I showed you guys yesterday. What stock I'm not looking at right now. I'll show you guys. Either I make good money. I'm surprised the stock that used to like have bad memory with it, I start making good money with it lately. I remember Ader and VERU. I have horrible time trading it back in the day when it was running, but last couple time, VERU was the one that I make money on, like
BCTX.
basically last 3 days, and now it's Ader too, Ader and VERU. Surprise, surprise.
BBBY.
That's a
ARTL.
little bit bigger than we like. Yeah, gotta cut it. Gotta cut it. That flush is a little bit bigger
CTIC.
than we like, and it's about approaching previous closing. And if
SRRA.
he cracked that previous closing, I don't know how far it could take. It's super negative momentum. Super negative momentum. It's a first day runner. It should not does that. It should not do that. If it do that, then it's no go. No go for me. First day runner. Actually, it's been multi days, but it's no volume last multi day, so I didn't count. First day have real volume on a gap up. So basically, morning market opened so far, and we flat. We lost on BCTX, and we make a little bit money on VERU, but then not much after the market opened so far. Why not stream? I was not planning to go back to stream, but then I was like, if my YouTube channel would be dying off.
BBBY.
I'm only gonna stream until 10 because during hot market, I rather focus in my trading than streaming, guys. I don't make money much. Well, I make a couple bucks so far from streaming, but yeah, I don't make really. My money is from trading. I mean, I'm not willing to risk anything for my that come between me and trading wise. Especially if I see a hot market, I rather turn off the camera so I can focus in because doing hot market, I'm gonna size in a lot, and I may get emotional just from thinking that people may judge me for sizing in. You know, because some people would think that, oh, he averaged in on a losing trade. No, that's basically what I do, and it could call big losing trade, and that would create more emotional. Because the thing is, if I lose on a big losing trade, and because of I'm sizing in, and I think that, oh man, people are judging me now because of that, then it would be pretty bad. I just feel, oh man, freaking BCTX bounced right away. This morning, every single time I cut loss, like close to the bottom, and have a bounce. BCTX, we didn't read good on it. I'm gonna try to get in here, up. Only feel 100 something 70 for a share, but so I'm gonna cancel it. VERU, it cracked previous close, but then this is the it already dipped so much yesterday, so I didn't even think anything of it. I don't consider too risky here, and I got 172 share. Actually, I consider a little bit risky. That's why I try to fill 2,000. I cancel. So I only feel 172 share. I'm waiting for the right moment to add anything like that.
BCTX.
Yeah, BCTX, I can't read it for crap this morning. Whatever. Just get rid of VERU. It's only 100 something share. Either the volume is very little compared to the day that I actually run. Look at the day it actually run. On the first day that you have a big gap up. So the volume wise
ARTL.
not too good. No. I know. I mean, I stay alive. It's okay, but then I just thinking about. Okay, because the thing is, randomly people would comment, right? Especially on big losing trade. It does affect me, even though I try not let to, but it does affect a little bit, you know. And on a big losing thing, it's not that good. And when it's super active, it's rather focused in trading wise. Right now it's slow. That's why it's like today, even though I'm starting negative, I start out negative 500 in the morning. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, negative 500 in the morning. But I decided to stream today. I'm not trying to show like I'm only stream on profitable day. This morning I was for negative 500, but I was decided to stream today because the thing is like this morning's slow. And minus like this much is really not a big deal for me, but it's just like on a day that's supposed to be really active and I'm supposed to make a lot of money. Like the day when what was it run? VERU run. I was like, oh my god, this stock I should make by 5,000 by now. Why am I not able to make that much by now? So I feel really FOMO. I feel bad, you know? And that day we were positive. We were positive like 1,000 something before the big loss I have on the other stock. But then it's like, oh my god. Man, I'm supposed to make a lot of money off of that stock right now. Why am I not doing it? So I start to feel a little bit I start to feel bad not trading well. So I had to turn off my stream that day. And honestly, after turn off stream that day, I show you guys my profit and loss later on that day. Okay, super slow right now. So I'm pulling off my profit and loss and just wait for the thing.
CTRM.
Man, my screen was covering. I would like to short VERU. VERU push back up to that exact same spot. I'm gonna short it at 33. But I feel like you probably gonna tank first. Man. GNS hot down. Yeah, GNS is a stock that I would rather not trade.
BCTX.
Is a pump up by Ross, right? This morning. So I rather not touch it. BCTX, I remember traded stock back in the day, and I actually did very good on it back in the day. I just remember it like that, but I did not know why today. It's like, oh man, can't read it for crap. ALDO. Oh man, freaking penny. So there can be a period of time, right? A lot of stock that around $1 or under $1 run, and none of it fits that criteria. And that's the only thing that run. So there can be a period like that. I'm not gonna try to get perfect. I'm trying to short 1,000 share of VERU at 30s. It didn't feel weak back down.
ARTL. CRTD.
Hey, y'all. I'm just gonna try to get on the ask a little bit. I feel like it is a good spot, so I try to buy. I didn't feel the bid, as you guys can see, 8,000 share on the bid, but so I try to feel the on the ask, and I feel 6,000 share. I didn't get out any. I got out literally a couple share. Try to buy back another 5,000. Because Ader, I remember I can size in on it. On the day that you run back in the day, I was able to size in on it. We didn't get any on the bid. Literally, we had to buy the ass that time. That sucked. Otherwise, it would be pretty decent. It bounced and we didn't even get any out earlier. Otherwise, we tried to buy another 5,000 share at 91. We didn't feel any. We didn't feel any. Too bad. Otherwise, it'd be pretty okay. This is the second time it dipped down there, so a little more worried than normal. If it's the first time it reached 91, I would add crap low, but this is the second time, so I gotta be more careful to see how it will respond. Do I want to add? Do I want to like wait until it crack 90 to add? I'm gonna try to add here. Yeah. Ooh. I had to make cut loss. I'm waiting for it to see how this one play out before I decide do any rush. We got a not good average at all. Not good average at all. But it looked like it can bounce. Do I want to cut? I'm gonna get out 3,000 share at this level for a loss. Man, if we get rid of our share fast, it stay too long. If we get rid of our share fast earlier, then we could play size, but then we didn't even get out any of our share, and we a little bit impatient. We buy on the ass. So yes, yeah, that cost us $300. It's okay. It's okay. So far, it's gonna be hard in the morning. Very, very hard so far morning. And it freaking bounced, man. It's freaking bounced. Sadly.
CRTD.
So far we cut loss way at every single time we cut loss it down. Even for what is it called? BCTX earlier too. Like what the heck? Come on. I'm not gonna do impatient anymore and buy on the ass like that. If I buy on the ass, if I'm able to get out some share there, it would be okay, but I didn't even get out any share. I didn't get fill on the bid for 8,000 share, and I got, oh man, I'm a little bit... I'm looking at VERU. I really hope it push above 10 or 1050. I can short. Right now it's above VWAP, so it had to be above 1050 when it had big push and volume exhaust, and I can short it.
CRTD.
But for now, no. Try short 2,000 share at 55. Didn't feel any of it.
LQDA.
Freaking A. Didn't feel any of it at 55. Now it had to be like 57, 58.
CTRM.
Back in the day, I would add like 1/4 of the size each time it dipped.
HNRG.
Back in the day, when I first started out, that's why I never had big losing day. When I first started out. Well, that's a great thing, but then I was not able to size up greatly because of that. Back in the day, if my size was 4,000 share, each time it dipped a little bit more, I only add 1,000 more share, 1,000 more share, 1,000 more share. It was never 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. Not like how I do right now. I was able to do that right now because I just feel more confident of able to cut loss. Back in the day, I feel a little bit. CRTD. We actually down quite a bit this morning, but it's okay. Nothing for me to take advantage of it yet.
ARTL. CRTD.
Oh man, I was not looking at VERU. It's so slow. I was starting, my eyes just wandering around right now. I want to see something super strong trend and I can jump in with shares.
BCTX.
VERU gonna be overall a short trend. It's like really negative yesterday off of that slide. So anything that go up, it gonna get shorted mostly. And CRTD is
CTRM.
it's just, what is it called? It's just start trend. So not even a this high loss on BCTX earlier. BCTX this morning, before I even start trend, I start to trade it already. Negative, Fang.
CRTD.
I'm gonna take 5,000 share on that quick pullback.
HNRG.
It's push up strong, and I get in like on a
BCTX.
fast pullback. It cracked 1.5. I get back in at 1.51 on a quick pullback. Actually, I get
ARTL.
1.49. Man, we didn't have any though. We didn't have any. It looks super strong when it break out, so I take some share in it. Could be a big losing trade for us because we kind of try to be aggressive on it a little bit.
BBBY.
I'm gonna let how it play out. I don't know how it play out right now, so I'm not. And it's so hard to on the ladder right now. It doesn't look like what is it called? I can't get out on the ladder right now. I can't spread out my order like how I normally would on the ladder. Whoa, VERU, freaking A, VERU. Man, I should have focused in VERU. on that push would be short. Yeah, did pretty good on CRTD right there.
VERU.
Come on, past 11, I'm short 1,000 share. Oh, only 23 share fill, so I'm canceling it. Try short. Let's try fill 5,000 share here. And fill up. Here would be a decent spot to get fill. Let me see, under 44, another 10,000 share. Because it's only, what is it, how many dollar stock? It's only $1 stock. And I had to be careful, holy crap. It reached VWAP. It's worrying me. I'm scared when it reached VWAP, man. I'm not about that life. I'm getting out.
VERU.
We lost all back on the game. Oh, we shot in VERU just now to see how it is. Hey, we didn't get fill back. We didn't cover. Wasn't up. We cover half already. Yep, cover all on that dip. CRTD touch VWAP and I can't do it. I mean I can size in the crap low, but it's only 20,000 share for $1 stock. That's not much in dollar value wise, but yeah, I can't do it. I can't pull myself to do it. Like on a if on a more positive day, yes, I would able to do it, but now I can't. I can't pull. I can't risk. I mean I can size in the crap low and average in just now and able to probably positive by now if I size in the crap low at the VWAP level right there, but I can't pull myself to do that. I just can't. Seem like the one I had to make money off of is VERU. Again, last couple days we've been losing on most stock except for VERU. And right now we negative 1k. Shit.
CTIC.
We were up by CRT earlier, but we decided to take a lot of
VERU.
risk, which I did tell you guys ahead of time. It's planted, okay? It was planted. It was all planted. I planned to take risks during that time, okay, guys? That was no fluke. But I was like, either we make big money or lose big money on this. It was decided. And we didn't lose much.
ALZN. BCTX.
Oh, it hell, fuck. Sorry, my bad mouth. It held that level, which doesn't mean it could have another green
CRTD.
We basically break even on that short.
NLTX.
Volume is so nice on VERU, baby.
ALZN.
Buy any back? Yeah, I sold most share already. Only 500 share left. I did not know how I can react around here, so I didn't do anything. I'm gonna get out here for a positive. That was positive trade. The only thing we make money on is really VERU today. No, why do you not sell yesterday after you read the offering news? When the offering news, you know it's gonna be bad for that stock. That stock probably gonna take next couple days. It's gonna trend down. It's gonna take next couple days for it to bounce. I did not know how well are you going to hold or average down. It could continue tanking. LIXT. I don't trade. If you keep doing this, you will never find an edge. If you keep averaging down on the stock that you know it's gonna be money loser. Yesterday you should cut loss. Even if I got caught sometime like that before in a what is it called, offering before. I always had to cut loss. You live to trade another day. You don't just held it. And you're a trader, not a investor. You know. Jesus, it was so hard to feel. When a stock tanking that fast, that hard, you gotta check out to see if you have any news right away. That's what I normally do. I always check to see if the stock have any news right away before I look at it. Let me show you.
VERU.
What stock was it? LIXT?
LQDA. SRRA.
Wait for the trade to populate. Normally take a while. I don't know. I'm not looking at that stock. Oh God, VERU, I miss you. Miss you, baby.
SRRA. BBBY.
We didn't get in at the exact bottom, and we didn't able to add on the when it dipped farther and bounced right away. We just get out for a quick profit. I'm waiting for the trade to populate, but it's not populating. Oh no! Don't feel me there. I tried to fill 13, but yeah, it popped back to 17, and I placed my order. That's why I say don't feel me there, because even though it bounced, but I don't like to be the one that maybe can go back down, and then I will get emotional for a bad feel. Try to fill 2,000 share. Too bad we didn't get a short out on VERU. So far, our short is up 118 on it.
ARTL, VERU. BCTX.
It's just so hard to get fill on VERU, so. I'm surprised. Why is a trade not populating? So yeah, yesterday I lost like $1,000 off of freaking LIXT right here, off that dip, and after that I just slowly make it back throughout the day, and was up by 1K with LIXT at the end, but overall
SRRA.
So here's LIXT yesterday. Yesterday was when was it? Oh no, that was the day I told you I was up 8,000 on VERU, right? And freaking negative 5,600 on IVDA. That's the day freaking IVDA tanked and I revenge trade. Yeah, that was bad. But yeah, the VERU, we were up 8K on it, man. See, if I focus on the stock and I keep winning on that stock, and if I don't emotionally trade, normally I can trade pretty good. If I able to size in properly and every single thing, I would trade pretty good. And the day yesterday was the 12th, right? Or 13. Yeah, 12. Yesterday was the 12th, and we were up by 3,900 on this, and up by 360 on the other one, and up 500 on LIXT on here, and another 500 on the other account. But yeah, pretty okay week to. If only we able to take more advantage of because this week honestly is pretty good. The Monday and Tuesday, because you have volume and range. And that's the thing that you look for the most when you be a day trader. You want to see some stock that have volume, both volume and range. Both volume and range. That's what you aim for the stock that have both volume and range. No, yesterday about 4.3. And yeah, Monday and Tuesday was good. It's just Monday I freaking revenge trade on that stock. So I lost literally 5,600 on freaking Monday on that. Look at that. Monday is okay. On one stock, it was 3 trade total. First trade I only lost 700, and after that I lost another 700, and after that I lost another 2,000 something, 2,500, and another 2,500. It's just revenge trade, and I revenge trade when I tried to buy, like, I got out, right? I click flatten button, right? And it's like, oh my god, it's gonna bounce. So I buy the ass to get back in, and guess what? It tanked much farther. Freaking A, man. Life. Yeah, VERU has been doing us pretty good. Like, VERU wise, it's just, we were able to read it pretty well. Every dip kind of bounce, so it's a little bit more easier. And our job is basically find out what stock did good. What happened? No, what happened the other day? Yesterday, VERU, how much I make on it? Yesterday, see, I make another 3,600 on VERU yesterday, and I also shorted too, so I make like a little bit money on the short side in VERU yesterday. Just got out of it. So right now we just slowly freaking climbing back up because of yeah, I always break my rules a lot of time. Okay, even though we set out the rules, but when the emotion involved, we're gonna try to do or die with some certain stock, and we just F ourselves over. We shoot ourselves in the foot, you know, which is not good. SRA. Ooh, what the heck? Nope, not touching it. VERU, if able to stay above VWAP by 10:30, it's gonna be a good money maker. Day. I just want to short 1,000 share VERU here. If it break that that high, the other high candle, I'm gonna out. I'm peace out. 45. Yep, I'm out. It's chilling here. I'm out. 42. Yeah. If it's chilling there, it could have big push. I don't want to get out while you have a big ass push.
BBBY.
I get out for like 30 bucks loss on the short side. Not bad. Overall, still a negative momentum stock, guys. Look how much it dipped yesterday. But surprisingly, that's a stock that I make the most money off yesterday. Mm.
PYXS. BCTX. VERU.
Ooh, that's a big push. Didn't get any share to short though. Feel like you're gonna have another green candle. Yep, there we go. That's a big push to not have another green candle kind of thing.
BBBY. ARTL.
Try to buy there. It didn't feel.
HNRG.
So freaking hard to get feel. I tried to buy 2 times so far. After that push.
BBBY. VERU. ALZN. CRTD.
No. Oh man, VERU is like holding like really well or something.
NSTG.
Oh no.
CTRM.
I expected to crack already, but it's just hanging there.
BCTX.
VERU gonna get some FOMO in me a little bit, which is not good. Feel the emotion a little bit kick in. Nice job, dip by trader.
SRRA.
You're actually short stock now, I see.
CRTD. ALZN.
I'm trying to play the range one last time. Maybe you can have one more range before I freaking tank. But I keep missing out on the freaking, what is it called? Yeah, I'm gonna cut loss. God damn it. I saw a big share side try to sell at the other thing. I cut loss before that flush, so it's good. 40 bucks loss, I think. It's only 2,000 share. We 2 cent off.
HNRG.
2 cent away from that loss, and we cut loss. I saw a big share when it tried to bounce. The range become much tighter now. I mean, the range within the same candle, you can see like the bounce is much more hesitate.
NSTG.
Normally I don't want that. I mean, some pressures are, oh, I understand why. I know exactly why the range is like that. It's a SSR stock. So this bounce can be weird and it could tank, like slowly tank. So it's gonna be different trading than the first day when it run or yesterday. Oh, yesterday it did trigger SSR too, but yeah. Yesterday was below the thing, so we were a little bit more comfortable. Here it's a little bit high. So it's good tank, and it's just gonna be slow bounce a lot of time too. Because as a shorter, SSR mean the short had the short on ask. Yeah, we lost like 10 bucks on that trade. Well, we would make money now if we be patient, but yeah, I'm not in that kind of game. A lot of VERU, a lot of on the day that it's hot, I did that a lot too. I did that a lot where I just cut loss a lot of time just in case, you know, you never know. Look at that bounce with volume too.
ALZN.
Man, it didn't even crack 50, huh? It touched my line. Look, I draw this line, I didn't know when, like long ass time ago or something. Look at that. It's become like that support and resistance. The line on the active day actually works sometime. On the day that when it come back up, actually work, guys. Good morning. All we do is twins. Twins.
VERU. NSTG. BBBY.
Yeah, the only thing I don't like about VERU now is the bounce can be like very, very like hesitate bounce. Not like how it was before, because on SSR today. I mean, every bounce they can have, short can have to sell on the ass. That's gonna be like, what is it called? Can it create like minimal bounce? Because they keep trying to be on the ass. Just like how we are, so.
CRTD. HNRG.
Oh my god. The feel is not there at all. Actually, the level 2 on the Cobra scared me really quick because there was a lot of share going through, and I thought it would take
NSTG.
much faster than that. It literally didn't barely even go any couple cent. And it's so hard to feel, so I'm just gonna try to buy, cancel my order, try to buy, cancel my order. Oh, my thing was not on the ass.
ARTL.
You got in at the bottom
HPK.
of that candle at least. A little bit money. Nothing to go crazy about. Okay. Anthony, stop pumping. The stock got no volume. I mean, if you call out stock, that stock better have some volume. If you call out stock that had no volume, then don't even bother. Like, I know that you try to pump the stock. The stock got no volume and it literally stayed there. And we day trader, we're not pumper, guys.
BCTX. VERU. BBBY.
Yeah, VERU. I came in short around this range. It hit that $12 too many times. It couldn't break out, so I'm not shorting it, but I'm willing to buy dip if it dip back down. But man, it's frustrating. We only make like $53 on VERU so far, and have a lot more volume for us to make that little. We make more yesterday by this time
BFRI.
on a day that is freaking tanking, and today it's running up like this with volume, and we don't make money.
CTRM.
An 8er, man. I keep looking at it. I keep wanting to hesitate to buy it, but every single time.
HNRG.
Every single freaking time. I know I see 8er too, but yeah, it doesn't. The way it move, I can't read it today. The way it move, I just don't know how it moves.
BCTX.
Yeah, 8er, we lost 400 on it today so far. Stock we lost on the most. We lost 400 on 8er, 400 on CRTD, and 600 on BCTX. Man, we like really bad at our accuracy, super bad today. But yeah, if we just need to focus on the stock that make us money. And those kind of stock, 8er, if you keep running like this, later have more volume, develop trend, able to make it back. And that's how normally it happens. Honest, the weird thing is I make money when the stock start trending down. Why instead of when it's trending up? Surprise. Like when the stock keep holding like this and not trending down, I'm not making much money off of it. Like if you see VERU yesterday, and it's a stock that I make the most money, and it was trending down the whole day yesterday. Like VERU yesterday was whole day yesterday. Wonder if I can show Trey on VERU. No, not show order.
ALZN.
Yeah, I was trading it the whole day yesterday. Like
HPK.
literally, Every single candle, like every other couple dip, I'm start buying it, you know. Not buying on every single dip. Some of them feel little, some of them feel not. But yeah, I traded a lot yesterday. Well, not a lot. Afternoon, you barely see anything anymore. So I didn't even trade it the whole time after the lower day already create. But yeah,
Nile.
damn, HPK. But yeah, that's just how it is. We make more money when the stocks start trending down. What go up must go down, so we try to make money when it go down. Let's do that. And yesterday we were able to be a lot more aggressive with. I don't know why. It's just like when I'm streaming, it start to play in something play in me that I'm not aggressive at all. Like I'm just chicken, cut loss super fast, like get out, because I guess I'm a little bit embarrassed if I got big losing. That's the only thing, you know. Ooh, ooh, oh my God! That's a 100K order. I did not know if it real or fake, but it scared the crap out of me. That's for sure. Lost $100 right there. $100K on the ass just now. Try to buy back. When we try to buy back, it's don't even feel. Yeah, man, when you try to buy back, it doesn't even feel at all. We get out. A lot of stock today, we get out, we try to buy it back in. It's really hard to feel. Like what the heezy, breezy. Chipping away. Oh, try to buy 4,000 share, feel 800 so far. Cancel it. Like I say, the bounce gonna be really, really hard for this recent stock. Really, really hard. Look at that, like because there's SSR stock. That's the thing I don't like about it back in the day. I'm gonna see where it is. I didn't sell any because I thought like I'm scared I'm not gonna get filled like how I didn't then. I didn't even get filled. I tried to buy another 3,000. I didn't even get filled. So yeah, I'm trying to size it up. Actually, I'm cancel right now. Wait, the thing. I'm just the bounce can be super duper slow. Like that's why I don't like SSR stock. Here it come. Yeah, it's an SSR stock. Just cut loss. I can't do it. It probably bounced, but for me, I just can't do it at this level. For me, like so far, every single time I cut loss, it seemed like it bounced right away, except that time I cut loss at 64, and it didn't bounce. It tanked more, but still, like it's just oh god, I did not know like how it can react. It's just so slow to bounce. Normally, I don't like this kind of thing at all. This is not a making money. I'm gonna try to get in at 41.
CRTD.
The time it bounce is like forever. It don't even let us get in, and the time it like tank, like ooh, it take forever to bounce. I think the last trade is also $100-something loss, 150 or something. So we slowly giving back our gain on it too. I'm trying to get in here. Let's see where it is. I'm willing to add, but below 36, 35. It's moving 1 cent, 1 cent. The dip is just so slow. I'm getting out if it bounce, but yeah, I'm holding a little bit too.
CRTD.
It's just heavy.
ARTL.
Oh, there you go. Yes. It's just very slow bouncing. There you go. Luckily, we're able to get back in. It's basically overall is a break-even trade. Because we lost on the first 2 trade kind of thing. Now it's just basically break-even. We got 1,000 share left only.
HNRG. SRRA.
Eater popping back up. Yeah, Eater still popping.
BCTX.
Eater on the first day that you run, I was able to size in a lot. Every single trade is like 20,000. Whoa, Ader, my man. I don't know. What the freak? When the stock move like this on the dip, I'm a little bit scared. I'm only gonna do a first dip on it. If I miss a first dip, then it's okay. I can't do this multiple dip on this stock. From the history, what it showed me.
NSTG. BCTX.
Oof. Try to buy there. There we go. Literally feel 1,000 share. 1,500. Just gonna get rid of it.
SRRA, CRTD. HNRG. BBBY. Ader.
Oh. The multi-day breakout. But depending on how far it break out, that's tell the story, not just it just break out. Oh, it's pulled back.
ARTL. BCTX.
Ooh. BFI. This stock used to run crazy back in the day. I think I did pretty good on it, just from memory. I don't know where the volume is. Open that back up at 5.5, so exactly where it halt kind of thing. So it could bounce right away, but who knows? I want to see some trend first. Good call though, Leonardo. Yeah, volume looked pretty okay. Hasn't established trend yet, but yeah. So it's gonna be risky. It's more risky, but yeah. It could be a good play if it turned out well, I mean. Just shorted VERU a little bit. Just try to cover it right now.
HPK.
Upper half. Got one half at 73 kind of thing. Not much. Yeah, VERU wise right now, it's just gonna be very, I don't like stock on the day that SSR right now. It's just gonna be very slow freaking bounce, man. That's the only thing that I feel bad about it. It's like, hey God, man, are you even gonna bounce? I'm gonna hold VERU for a little bit longer actually, for that 480 something share. BFI halt at 1042, so it can be open up 1047 25, 1047 25. Man, Ader, we gotta avoid the first big dip. It looked like the stock that can have one big dip. Right now, the way it moved, it's not the breakout or anything like that yet. The next dip it have gonna be. I just feel I can't do it. I just had to able to avoid one big dip, and we good to go on Ader. We good to go. Good to trade on Ader. If we able to avoid one big dip, I just don't know when.
ARTL.
Holy crap, Ader. It's gonna get a lot of people FOMO, including me. What is Ader? 605 halt. If it halt, it'd be much better. If it halt up, it'd be much better to play afterward. But right now, it's just like, yeah, Ader, man.
SRRA.
Because right now, it's really no dip right now. So basically all buyer and people get squeezing out. It's like, so the next one, when everyone starts selling, include the short jump back in, it's going to be bad. It's going to be bad. I just don't know when that coming. Up, I'm gonna cover another half for VERU, holding half for VERU, holding the other half. Yeah, here come the dip. Yeah, like I said, the dip can be big. I just don't know how big it is. Need to avoid the first big dip. Cover another half of that freaking other half, or whatever it is for VERU. I'm gonna hold the other half, and most likely gonna go below. Hold for the other half for really long. There's only 100 something share left, so not a biggie. We're gonna actually able to get us positive 200 today.
CRTD.
Oh, BFRI's Ross. Pump. Yep, not touching it. I mean, you can play it, but it's just like so much more risky in your side. Yeah, 496 hot down. Yeah, this morning pretty bad for us. Like we negative 900 so far right now. We're positive on the short side and just negative on the long side. And more stock. Normally the opposite. But yeah. Either just weird movement. I don't know how to play it yet. Until it start to establish trend. Hey, that's good, crypto. Wow, you should not use leverage, like I always say, crypto. Why you so like eager to make big money when you hasn't found a profitable strategy yet? Try to find a profitable strategy first before you eager to make leverage. Leverage is never good as a beginner trader. You blow up your account, okay? So if you're a beginner trader, that means you are not profitable yet. And if you're not profitable, leverage make you blow up your account faster than you normally would. So yeah. But yeah, congrats of making money today. But yeah, don't do that. That's how you blow up account, man. I keep hearing you blow up their account the other day, and yeah, you don't want to leverage. Leverage is like double-edged sword, right? I can't do this crap with Ader. It doesn't look like a buy and the thing. I just don't know how far it's gonna dip. It's for Ader wise. That's why like I'm not even putting my order in. You guys would see me put a ton of order in for VERU before, but for Ader wise, I don't know where it's gonna bounce. Like I can't read it. Looking at level 2, like, oh, are you gonna bounce, or is this gonna continue tanking? Kind of thing. Right? So to be honest, after one loss on a stock, I'm a little bit more hesitant on that stock, and I did loss on it today on Ader. Hey, nothing is unreasonable, crypto. Every single thing can be reasonable. If you want to look at something unreasonable that I freaking lost money on, is look at this stock. What stock was it?
BFRI.
IRDA. NVIDIA. NVDA. Yeah, NVDA. So IR is basically NVIDIA, but spelled another way. Look at this. Look at this. So I lost 700 on this dip right here. I cut loss on the same candle, as you can see. And I jumped back in, tried to freaking revenge trade it a couple times, and it could continue dipping. That's tell me what unreasonable. The Ader or the, look at this, like no freaking bounce. I was like, oh my god, how is this even possible? And even when I try to click flatten button, it would not even let me out. At least Ader right here, right? At least Ader. Where's Ader? At least Ader have a little bit bounce right here. He has no freaking bounce. Like dun dun dun. I jump back in here. I average in here. I cut a lot of loss, and I keep here. I buy back on the ass, and just oh my god, like that's. And luckily, I cut all my loss right here. Otherwise, if I keep held on, it keeps sliding for the rest of the day. So yeah, you just gotta take your win and loss sometime, you know? You just gotta bite the bullet and just like freaking, even though it seemed like it's so strong, look how strong it is going up. Like no freaking dip. No freaking dip. Look exactly like Ader right now, kinda. Ader is just a minimized version of it. But yeah, no freaking dip, and all of a sudden, it does that. How freaking unreasonable that, you know? We just got in and out Ader. We're not there to be the thing. Yeah, we in and out Ader real fast. But yeah, that's so like, man, I was like, oh my god. That's why I revenge traded. I lost 700. It's okay, but because of the trade before that I took on VERU, caused me a little bit, what is it, a VERU spiking back up. A little bit FOMO. VERU look like it can break here a little bit. I'm gonna buy a next dip on VERU a little bit.
BFRI
92, 89, 87. I buy 2,000 share of VERU and just sold 1,000 already. I'm trying to buy it back in to see how it is. I don't know how VERU can react, but it looked like it looks super strong on that push right there. That's why I buy micro pullback. I buy micro pullback on a super strong push. I only got 500 share left. I sold most already. Yep, got out. I buy micro pullback on a super strong push like that. I shorted right there, cover the rest. Short, we make a we lost on 100 share, we cover already, we make back 300.
LEDs.
Man. And hot level up is 1294, which I don't think it's gonna get there. That's a big squeeze. That's a big volume squeeze just now. Yeah. VERU, the only thing is like what is it called? Is SSR, like I say, right? And you guys saw that too. SSR is like take forever to bounce. You don't even know it can bounce. That's the thing. We did good on that micro pullback and that stuff. Ooh, much bigger dip than we thought. We gotta get out. Also on that second dip buy, we didn't get a chance to add. I was not able to add at all, so literally break even trade again. But we win on the short side, so it's
SRRA.
it was okay. Up 338 on the short side, surprisingly. But yeah, if you talk about unreasonable, IDVA that day was freaking unreasonable. So nothing is unreasonable in the stock market. Anything can happen. Any freaking thing can happen, man.
ARTL. CRTD. NSTG.
Well, okay, even if you don't have capital of buying back in, just cut the loss. Like
HNRG.
it could tank much farther than anyone imagined.
HNRG.
Look at that. Do I really had to show IVDA again? Look at where from. It's from $4.08. And continue tanking. Okay, if you don't cut loss here, when are you gonna cut loss? Just tell me. Just tell me when you're gonna cut loss. Like if you don't cut loss here, then you don't cut loss here, you just held it. You rather cut loss and not jump back in. Or you rather just held it and it tanked for the rest of the day. Because you don't know what it does. It's from $4, close to $5. It never bounced back. Never bounced back anywhere close to it. Until today. Not even today. It's $2 now. BCTX, I lost money on it, and it's like pump up on the day and then below super duper negative momentum. That stock is not going to bounce for a long time. I don't know, in my opinion. I see this a lot already, and it's not going to bounce for a long time. And there's a reason I don't trade BFRI either. BFRI is like a pump stock by some guru, and it doesn't show some trend yet. It doesn't even show trend. So why? I could buy, but then like what happened if I get in here and I'm trying to average in? I cannot get out, you know? So yeah, it's a risk right there. It's different from what is it called? From try to buy this one. Try to size in. I don't know. Look a little bit hesitant. Sometimes I'm willing to size in. Sometimes I'm willing not. Like it just depends on the stock. I'm willing to size in now. But yeah. Try to buy here 3,000 share at the exact. God, it didn't feel me. It feel me like 1,000 something share. Go back up, so we're selling it. Some trade is good to like be aggressive. Some trade is good not. You know, you never know. You never know. I could be wrong any moment. Any moment. This stock can continue tank like much farther,
HNRG.
and I could be wrong any moment. Any movement, like literally, I can be completely wrong. And this is a lot of share size, but yeah, any movement I could be wrong right now. Even right now, like literally, I'm being a little bit more patient. But this stock, I didn't. You have to be quite patient, and I'm not. I don't have that kind of patience. I'm a little bit scared, of course. That's it happening right now. I know it will bounce, but it's just much slower than I normally would like. And I didn't get out enough when the bounce that I got in earlier. And a little bit more, way more size than I would like right now. I can tell you guys that straight up. Like more size than I like right now. It could be from super strong to super negative at any moment. And of course, I had to cut loss. And this one, since I sized in quite a bit, it could be a big loss. You know, you just don't know. You just don't know. Is it going to be a big loss or is it going to be a big winner? Ooh, big loss look like.
BCTX.
I'm trying to play the like in and out. Hopefully I can salvage this. But this look like gonna be big loss, guys. Big loss. Probably $1,000, $2,000 loss in that range. Because like I say again, this is not a fast bouncer. And I'm not good with fast bounce, slow bounce like this. Yep, big loss. Cut all my loss. It could bounce exactly level here. Since I cut my loss. Yep, $1,000 something loss. That's it, man. I think I'm gonna done streaming for a while. I did not know why. That's really emotional for me. But yeah, I just gotta take the loss. Man, and it bounced, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna call streaming for a while, guys. I can't do this. Like last couple times I'm on stream, I keep get emotional for some reason. You know, and it's always and I say, like I cannot like let the stream be the main thing. It had to be my trading. And if I'm losing on a day trade, and I win every single time I'm off the stream so far. Last 2 days I started to make a lot of money when I'm up the stream, but just when I'm on the stream, it's just for some reason up. And Aether back up too. So yeah, I think I can make back the money, but it's gonna be very hard. Very hard. Look how freaking VERU tanked right now. It's continue tanking.
BFRI.
Like, it's just try to buy 3,000 share back. But it doesn't feel. Okay, so I'm gonna call for the stream. Yeah. That's why I had to cut loss sometime. Yeah, but whatever, man. You can say that, but it's just hard. Like, you know, people are watching, you know, people are judging, kind of thing. So it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to pretend like completely in thing, right? Especially on a losing trade. People are gonna judge your strategy. People are gonna do this. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop streaming. I'm about to have video coming out, and main thing is not it's not for me to show trading anyway. It's main thing I'm trying to become a YouTuber, honestly. Oh god damn it! It didn't feel. But yeah, that's it. Maybe I record it and maybe do a review later of my day trading journey. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm done stream for a while. You know, let's see how it is. If I feel more comfortable of trading the stock thing, because 2 days in a row I'm not on stream, I trade much better. I do every single thing so good, but just on the stream wise, why I'm talking and all that, I start getting a little bit emotional on a heavy trade. You know. But that is it, guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Is most likely can be negative day for me. But yeah, we're gonna try to keep positive. That's it. Bye.